I declare the Goa Heritage Festival 2019 open.
See, essentially, this festival particularly underlies the importance of what is the important legacy of Goa, what is heritage of Goa, and why there is a need for a conservation of this heritage. The primary heritage of Goa is its language and culture. That's untangible heritage. Here, basically, when the state is coming, state is talking about conserving the buildings and the spaces and the related activities concerned to the habitat. Goa has a lot of influences from all over the world, but particularly the Portuguese colonial period. That influence was one of the important influence, which marked a different kind of a trend compared to its past. That was a total departure, and in a way, it is good that Goa has assimilated all these influences, and people of Goa, the society of Goa, is here to conserve what was in the past, inclusively. See, apart from the private houses, government also has a plan to conserve the houses of artists. Like we have got Dinanath Dalal, we have got Baki Bab Borkar, we have got a house of Ravindra Kedekar. All their houses, all their libraries, all their artifacts. Yes, government has a scheme to conserve that also, because that's part of our culture. And by way of conserving, we are linking tourism and culture. And that's what the most of the West has done. So we are following all those good things in the West.
So today we inaugurated the Goa Heritage Festival 2019 at Fatoda. The festival is going to be celebrated for the next 4 days. You all would be aware that Goa is known for many things. The heritage of Goa is also preserved and appreciated across the country and across the globe also. And this festival we are celebrating to remark and make it known to the people across the globe that Goa has got a rich heritage which we are preserving and maintaining, and we want to showcase it to the people across the world. And as such, we are showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Goa through this festival, and we hope to this festival will help the people to preserve the culture and heritage of Goa, either in terms of the architecture or other traditions also. This festival will help in people to preserve their heritage and culture.
Ang tayo pa,